Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I'd like to thank the Honourable Member for this question. Madam Speaker, the massive payout is, of course, a culmination of the past 5 or 6 years of very solid financial management of Fiji Pine Limited. And, of course, the huge level of input by the Bainimarama government and then the Fiji First government in respect of addressing landowner grievances. Madam Speaker, right up to 2011, or just a couple of years prior to that, none of the leases that were expiring, in fact, were renewed because the landowners were actually feeling very aggrieved. And as a result of the consultations that was carried out by the Honourable Prime Minister, we came up with what we call the lease security bonus payout. The lease security bonus payout, Madam Speaker, started back in 2013, where a payout of $347,000 was made. And of course, recently we saw a payout of $7 million that was made, which is a 1,917.3% increase in a period of 5 years, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, we in fact intend to make a ministerial statement on this in the next couple of days. So I'll be very brief in that respect. However, the bonus payout that was made was in fact because of the fact that Fiji Pine Limited is making now a lot more money. The fact of the matter is that more leases actually have been renewed, and because of the profitability and the renewal of leases, we are now, Madam Speaker, paying out a lot more money to the landowners themselves. Thank you.